Now we have to measure the full width half maximum. In order to that one, we have to bring more or less to the center of the peak, of the middle of the peak. So it should be more symmetric and accurate, so that you get a nice results. So let me play with it. Should be more accurate. Okay, so after that you have to turn off the power supply. Then you remove this cable, the red one, let's keep it here. The blue one, we remove it. We remove from oil, and then we directly connect to here. So this upper one comes and connects to the left side of this coil. So after that, you take the BNC cable from channel 1 and we connect it to here, to this triple port. Then we come and we have to connect it. So try to bring it scope here. So we are connecting it here. So right now I connected in this way, and after that we have to turn on the power supply. Okay, once we turn on the power supply, we can see that this line, blue line, has to be exactly in the vertical axis, also around here. So let's play with it. So it is a vertical, so position has to be, so we're going to bring the position of the vertical, we place it to 0 center. So you have to please make sure that when you had such a graph, when you place it to the middle of this curve, you have to take a photo and know exactly where you should bring this blue dot. You have to move it in such a way that you bring it to this point. Okay, so in order to do that one, you have to play with the voltage. So yeah, for instance, I'm bringing it somewhere here, let's say. Then after that, you have to, since the sensitivities went down, in order to make it more sensitive and see the how many milliamperes, you change to here to milliampere, and then after that you have to change range to the milliamperes. Okay, so now right now I put it there and I forget what was my point, so you have to play with it with this one. So if you move it, so it might be somewhere here, so I can see that it's around 26 milliamperes. So again guys, you have to know your position of your graph and take a photo, and then move these two dots and make sure that it's exactly on that point as shown here, and then you can take a note of the current. Okay, now guys, once you have taken notes what is the current here, you take the notes, right? It was let's say 20 milliamperes. Now next thing is that you have to reverse this direction, so that we want to find what will be the current at this point. Okay, so we take it, so we have to turn off, we remove this thing, and we have to change the position. Okay, we change the position, we back turn on, then we can see that now it switched this blue here. So first we have to bring it to the center of this one. What is the vertical position? Yeah, okay, this one really doesn't matter. So we put to the center. Then we're going to play with this one. We're going to play with this one until we place to the position of here. Okay, then we can see what is the current here. So we have to take the notes. Again guys, don't this currents are taken randomly. Okay, because I didn't take a photo and I don't know what was the position of the graph of previous graph. So you have to know exactly that one and then place it exactly there and record the current for this one. So in my case right now is about 22 milliamperes.